It's owl o'clock. We always have a time for coffee. Dzień dobry, kochanie. This all in my favorite owl sofa cost me about 38 zloty. Oh, honey, you get your morning coffee, huh? Before you work, bardzo, polecam. Wow. This beautiful cat, I already drink it. And one thing, barista in Poland is very talented. Bardzo polecam. Okay, so today I've got a Polish lesson for 3 hours, and I've got a question also about my Polish class. Where did I take my Polish lesson? Basically, I enrolled it from the Polish embassy in Jakarta, Indonesia. And my suggestion is that if you want to enroll for police class, just keep looking on the police embassy social media. I think that every month they have like, you know, free police classes that collaborate with the, you know, good universities in Indonesia. Like my class collaborated with Erlangga University in Surabaya. So it's barzo polecam. We just had our coffee time with Damian, and Damian as usual have to go back to work. So now I will take you to stroll around another tourist destination in Poznan, Poland. Now I am in the beautiful cathedral. Wow, it's so busy during the holiday season. A guided tour in front of me. You see, more and more people are coming. It's beautiful sunny weather. It's holiday season. And look at this amazing cathedral church. I think this one is the biggest church in Poznan. Look at this. Wow and wow. So let's go. Wow, let's get inside. It's beautiful. Look at this one. Amazing. Wow. Awesome. Some people are praying inside. In here. Look at this one. Wow. Wow. Look at this one. Amazing. Let's go. This one as well is beautiful. Let's go there. Wow. Look at this. Amazing. So let's go. Awesome. More and more people coming. Amazing, this one. Wow. Look at the ceiling. Oh my goodness.
Te motywy architektoniczne, niezwykle drobiazgowe i szczegółowe, przedstawiające niebiańską Jerozolimę, zaczerpniętą z piwnicy świętego Jana. Ogólnie, jeśli Państwo będą widzieć taki motyw, czyli wręcz takie kolumny, które kończą się... Jednak prawdopodobnie one nie były wydane pokazane jakieś kopie, to wskazuje właśnie te zachowania po czasie. Inną wykonanie właśnie elementy skrócowe opracowane na kartach właśnie kamiennych.
Look at this one. And look at the year. 1016 is 1058. And this one. It's so amazing. Wow. Look at the ceiling on the top. It is amazing. Very, very historical places. Wow. And this is the area of the cathedral. There are so many historical buildings. So let's go to that building. And you see more and more tourists are coming here. It's Poznan Poland. The picture is the Pope, if I'm not mistaken. And that's the cathedral church. And this is another building, historical building. Look at this. And this is the miniature of the things. And one thing is that they have something for braille, so it's all inclusive. Amazing. Look at the glass and look at the cobblestone. Wow. Look at this one. Wow. Wow and wow. Let's go to that building. Amazing. Look at this. This building actually closed for the visitors, and this one, this Bunda Maria statue, and this one, I don't know what's this one, but look, it's amazing, the glass. Wow. And it's written something in Polish. I don't know what it is, but must be very historical things. So let's go there. I think that there is a beautiful bridge there, so I'll show you. One thing that I like the most about Poland is that they have, like, you know, miniature of the building like this. You see, this one is written in Polish, this one for the braille, and this one is the compass. This is actually over there is the church, and this one, oh, this one, to Tayestes. I'm here basically, and look at this. Wow, it's amazing, right? And what I see is that police people from different states also coming here to explore and learn the history. Clear blue sky, and then you see busy and busy. Oh, look at that, there is must be something there. Let's go. Oh, look at the clock there. Ding dong. Let's go. It's very huge cathedral. We will go there, but before that I'll show you. I think this one is the bishop house where the priest living. If I'm not mistaken, it's very clean. One is actually the explanation about the bridge, if I'm not mistaken. So the bridge is over there. Let's go. Nice. Actually, the explanation about the bridge construction. Wow. And look at like this. I think that one is the old part of the Poznan. We will go there and I'll show you the nice point of view of the cathedral from here. Amazing, right? Oh, look. The wedding. I think the concert, something like that. Let's go. Oh, this one. I think that this one is a beautiful couple wants to get married, or you know, like tied, they lock here. Look at this one. Maybe we should put Damian and Winnie here one day when we plan to do something important thing. Let's go there. So like this morning, you know, I just met Damian, have a coffee break in Posnania, and then he need to shop a little bit things, and after that I just walk from Poznania. Here is very close by, and what I feel so far, so safe and secure. That's the most important thing, and I walk alone every single day. Look at this beautiful cathedral church with a few people bringing a big camera, walking with the dogs, and I think that so many restaurants are open, and I think this part is the very oldest part of Poznan. This is what I like when summertime, every restaurant open with a seat outside. Let's go. And ice cream o'clock. Maybe later I will buy ice cream, but not now. Amazing. Oh, very nice building. Wow. Oh, look at this. Let's go. Wow. Look at the birds. Beautiful. And I think that's also a beautiful church, but I think it's closed, and I'll show you around the restaurant spot. Oh, look at this beautiful mural art. Wow. Aha, amazing. Look at this. It's so cute. Wow, this one is Srodka mural. That is the world famous mural art in Poznan. Yay, finally I found it. Aha, and look at this around. So many nice restaurant, coffee shop. Wow. Wow. And wow, see? Always fika time. Amazing. I'll show you one more shot about this mural. Wow. Ah, finally I found the best mural art in Poznan. It's just like this behind me. Awesome, super cool. So the vibe here is totally different, more relaxed, chill, and many restaurants around me. It's amazing, right? Just like behind me, the people walking. Amazing. The babcha riding bicycle. I wonder in that age if I was strong like them. So yeah, walking and discovering something new, it's amazing, right? The Tablika Historiczna, historical plage. This one, I have no idea. There is no English translation. Oh, there's the English translation. So it's just like a very historical place. Once again, I really like this place so far. It's beautiful. It's so chill, relax. It's just like a slow life in Poznan, right? I'm just amazed with this bridge and also, you know, the history behind. And look at this, the log and the view of the cathedral and the river. Amazing. This one, look, this one in 1905. Look at this guy. Oh, amazing. It's beautiful, nice coffee shop, and let's go there. This is called Galeria Slusa. So this is inside the Galeria Slusa actually. Oh, exhibition available in Polish and English. Okay. Okay. Cool, huh? Wow. Wow. So this one is actually inside the bridge that we were there before, and here is the glass bridge. Wow. Oh, look at the river from here. Nice. Ah, this is actually the activities that they do here. Nice. Nice. 10 years. Nice. Very nice. Look, this one is actually the miniature of the things. This one, the building. This one, very nice. Look, actually we are going down, and this is actually underneath the gallery. Look at this. You see, this one is like a bunker underground and now becoming a gallery or museum. Oh. Fancy, right? It is super fancy. I don't know this place is existed here. It is a very educational gallery inside. So what I see is that you know, wherever you are going there, and there must be information about educational things. So amazing. So like I told you previously, I am super lucky that to be here. I learned so many things. Even, you know, when I arrive home, I always talk to Damian that, you know, I've been here and here and here. He was just like, I was not there yet, but you already there to explore. So yeah, learning so many things here is amazing. And look at this in front of me in this area of the cathedral. Nice green garden, clean. You see, not even a single plastic. Look at the houses here. I think this one is the old types of the house. Wow, let's go there. Look at these beautiful houses. I don't know whether somebody's living there or not, but looks very well maintained. Enjoy the breeze, green trees. Oh, look at this. What is this? and that's the cathedral still. Let's go. So if we keep walking over there, is basically the museum, and this one also museum archaeology. Wow, I don't know whether it is open or not, but seems like it's closed. Nobody there, so let's go there. It seems like a beautiful, amazing Academia Lubranieckiego here. It's just like an exhibition, and yeah, this complex basically. Awesome. Right, so this road is called Yana Lubranieckiego. So here is the piece of the history of the Biskup, Poznan Biskup. Amazing. So that was the complex of the cathedral. So how do you get here? It's simply you can go by the tram, you can go by Uber or taxi, and you can walk like what I did every day, or you can ride a bicycle like so many people nowadays doing during the summer. So yeah. Right, so it has been around 1 hour. I explored the cathedral area basically, and now it's hot and sunny. I already take off my jacket, but when I was inside the church is very cold. And one thing, whenever you come here, you also have the audio guide. So that's why if you want to choose the audio guide, you can ask for the information there, and you can walk with the headset with all the information. So yeah, I think that's all my video today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.